welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my flat tour. I'm doing a flat tour of my flat. Yeah, that makes sense. And I'm also going to be answering some questions that you guys had from me on Instagram that I asked for. I asked for your assumptions and or questions about me that you might have, and I got mostly questions, so I'm going to be answering some of those towards the end of the video. And yeah, so let's get right into what my flat looks like, where I'm living, all that fun stuff. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. No, Megan. Which is every Wednesday and Sunday. On Wednesdays, I post sit-down, normal channel videos, and on Sundays, I post vlogs. So, if you're interested in that, make sure you hit the notification, do all the things I said before, and let's get right into the video. Really funny thing, I just got halfway through the room tour and realized I wasn't filming at all, so let's start again. Alright you guys, after you come in my flat, I'm in room number 6. Let's go inside. I live with 7 other people. This is what my room looks like when you first walk into it. Today it's particularly clean because I cleaned it just for you guys. On the back of my door here, I have got my backpack, a coat, along with my kind of going around town backpack. That one I got from Primark for about $10, so it was super cheap, because I don't like carrying this one around with me everywhere. Opening up next to it, I've got my closet. It actually holds a lot of stuff, so I was pretty impressed with that. Just random clothes in there, and then my shoes along the bottom, and my t-shirts and sweatshirts and sweaters and jeans and all that stuff along the top. Close that up. Then up there I just have some shopping bags because you do actually have to pay 10p per plastic bag when you shop here, so I just keep some of the ones I got when I first got here. Then we've got like my food shelf here. All of my groceries, things there, except for the things that need to be refrigerated, obviously. Sauce. I've got some mugs, Dr. Pepper, of course. This is a air diffuser or a scent diffuser that I got from Primark, and it smells so good. It was only 3 pounds. So then up to the next level, I've just got a bag and some foil and things like that. Laundry stuff, Tupperware, bowl and plate, extra bottle shampoo, Pop-Tarts, Frosties. Then here on the next shelf over, I've got my medicine, just in case I get sick or anything like that. I have got my skincare in this bin back here. This mask has literally saved my life since being here. It is the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. I did a review on it, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave it linked below. My Ride or Die perfume, I have been wearing this for a very long time. My mom got me a new full bottle, or my parents did, for Christmas, so I was very thankful for that. Extra makeup wipes, I went on a trip, so I got these when I was there because I forgot mine, but then I have the Kirkland brand makeup wipes from back at home, which are absolutely amazing. Then I usually have this right there. I just had to move it while I was filming. My battery charger for my camera, some tape, and my GoPro. I've got a little picture of my family here, and then just a little extra purse thingy. Up here I keep some books. I have 2 books currently. I have Please Don't Go Before I Get Better, which is a poetry book, and then by John Green I have An Abundance of Catherines. So, and then I just have a 2 extra notebooks there. Over here I have my makeup brushes with some extra loose makeup in there, sponges, travel makeup case, my actual makeup case, and some palettes, along with some extra wallets and things there. On my little cork board on my desk, I have this. I got this in my first day of classes, and it's a quote by J.K. Rowling. It is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. And then this little picture of an airplane. And then we have my desk here. I keep 2 cardigans on the back of here just because I like to throw them on occasionally, just because it gets cold in my room sometimes. But yeah, so on this side of the desk I have some little special things. This on top here is a ticket to the Struts. I went to the Struts concert last night. That'll be included in my vlog on Sunday, so make sure you're subscribed so you see that. I got a card from my family. I have a little note from one of my aunts, and then I have another postcard from another aunt. So, if you guys want to send me things, let me know. And then here I keep a little Sephora mirror like that. And my tweezers, because I'm always tweezing my eyebrows, making sure that they look nice. It's just one of my biggest pet peeves is when my eyebrows don't look nice. So, then I've got 3 drawers here. They're all kind of full of personal items, so I'm not going to show you those, but they're just 3 drawers. Hamper. And then my window is right here. As you can see, it's been really nice out in London. It has been about 60 degrees every single day for the last week, which is super, super nice. And then I've got my bed here. I've got this little throw blanket that my family got for Christmas from one of my aunts' families. And then my little bedspread here. I got this bedspread from Kohl's just mainly because I liked the colors and it wasn't that expensive. And then I also have some pictures of my friends taped up here behind my bed from Halloween, New Year's, Halloween, New Year's, Halloween, New Year's. So I've got all those so I can keep my friends with me at all times. And yeah, I also have a bathroom in here, which is nice because I get my own bathroom. I don't have to share with anyone, but I'm not going to show you that because it's a little bit dirty. So, and it's a bathroom, like who hasn't seen a bathroom? But yeah, so that is my flat tour. So now I want to sit down and answer some questions that I was asked on Instagram. So let's get to that. Alright you guys, so I was asked a few questions on Instagram, so I want to answer those for you guys. Some of my lovely friends made or asked some questions for me. Let me find them on my phone. Okay, so one question I got was if you can listen to 3 songs for the rest of your life, what would you pick? Currently, I have been listening to the Struts a lot, and I really, really like their music. So one from there would be, let me pull up my Spotify so I can like actually let you know. Ashes, Dash Part 2 by the Struts. It's part 2 to Fire, which is part 1. I really, really love that song. It is so, so good. I'll try to link it down in the description box below. I don't know how to link songs very well, so we'll just see if I can do that. So Ashes is the first one. And then I want to add in From the Dining Table by Harry Styles. And finally, we're going to do Last Hurrah by BB Rexa. Those are like 3 of my favorite songs right now, so if I had to answer right now, that would be what it is. I have a friend that assumes that I am a big fan of Callum Hood. That is not necessarily what she worded it as, but I changed it for you guys so I wouldn't swear. And yes, I do love Callum Hood. I got another question that says, when do I get back from Europe? The answer is January, Megan. It is literally the end of February right now. I get back from Europe specifically June 8th. However, I won't actually be home back to my hometown until June 15th or 16th. So, let's see. Who's another one that I'm censoring? Who is your favorite person or favorite person in the world? And it is probably between 2 people, and that is Miss Kelsey Butler and another Miss Maddie White, or also Megan Jensen. You know, it's a toss-up between those 3 people. Another one is, would you rather, I guess you might not know this about me, I am a huge 5 Seconds of Summer fan. I love them with my whole heart. So I got a lot of questions about my love for them and things like that. So I got one that says, would you rather get punched by Luke Hemmings, which is this person right here if you don't know, or spat on by Callum Hood, which is this person right here. And probably, I feel like being spat on would not hurt as much as being punched. So I'm gonna go with that one. Let's see. And then there's just a few more questions left. I didn't get a whole lot, but that's totally fine. So if you do have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer those for you. Ellie, my little sister, asks, do you like Fila high top shoes? And let me tell you exactly why she asked me this question. She FaceTimed me the other day, super excited because she got some, and I think they're the ugliest shoe in the world, which, I mean, I'm not trying to put anyone down, I just personally do not like them, couldn't wear them myself, but she thinks it's hilarious how much I don't like them. So there you go, Ellie. No, I do not. And I love you very much. And then I got another one that says, are there any regrets in your life that you wish you had done differently? I don't think so, because they all kind of led me to being where I am now, which is in London, and which is living out one of my biggest dreams I've had since I was a little kid. So I don't think I would do anything that way, but on a smaller scale there's probably different things, like saying different things to people or coming on too strong in terms of friendships, things like that. So but I think that's about it for those though. Yes. I got another one that says, I miss you, when are you coming home? June 8th, as I said earlier. And then I got another one that says, how do you like London so far? How does it compare to other cities that I've been to? So London by far is the biggest city I've ever been in my entire life. I've never lived in a huge city. The city I'm from is about 150,000 people, so not a lot of people at all compared to where I live now, which has 8 billion. But compared to cities back at home, cities I go to a lot, London feels more like small individual communities than one overall big city. Like, I know it's really loud where I live and on the road I live, but if you walk around the neighborhood, it's really quiet and you don't even know you're in a city. You don't notice, at least. So I love that. So I love having like a smaller city feel in this massive place where I could go do anything I wanted. So I think that's really cool. And I don't know, I really love it so far. I am a huge fan of the city. But yeah, so, and I'm a huge fan of all the friends I've made since being here. My British friends and my friends from all over the world now that I've made, and friends from back home even. So yeah, I am super thankful for all the opportunities I've gotten here so far. And I think that was it for questions. So again, questions for me, leave them in the comment section down below. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesdays I post sit-down videos, and on Sundays I post vlogs. So if you're into that kind of thing, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!